Hello everyone, my name is Kartik Avinash Zadokar. I am from Shri, Maharashtra. I have pursued a CCNA course from Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. It is a IT recruiting and consulting agency. I pursued a CCNA course, networking course from Evision. They have the high quality teachers and they provide high quality content. If you want to increase your skills, your IT skills in the industry, then Evision is best choice for you because I got an offer from FLIPKART. My package is around 3 LPA and I have pursued the CCNA course and I have learned about Linux administration, Windows administration, CCNA, basics of networking, basics of hardware computing, basics of Microsoft 365, Outlook concepts, cyber security concepts, and all this. They are taking many theoretical as well as practical sessions. The sessions are conducted through Zoom meeting, and Windows administration is a classic there because they teach it very they teach it in very good way. Teaching style is also good. IT support is good. They continuously support you and be available for you whenever you need any kind of help. If you have any queries, they respond to you. They contact you to the teacher if you have any queries related to the class. They have a separate portal, an online portal, an educational portal. The classes are available on online. I am suggesting Evision is the best choice for a working professional who want to increase their skills as well as a student who wants to crack a job in IT industry. I highly recommend Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd to join. And lastly, thank you Evision for supporting me and for teaching me. Thank you.